Hey there, this is Sean over at OEI Digital. Just wanted to send over a quick video. We noticed y'all were advertising on Google, but we think that there's a way that you can actually increase the amount of traffic that you're getting to your website while decreasing ad spend. Well, first of all, there are a lot of searches every month for personal injury attorneys in Lexington. Just right here, we can see that there are 300 searches a month for personal injury attorney, Lexington, Kentucky. If we modify any of the keywords, you're looking at 170 for personal injury lawyer, Lexington, Kentucky, spelled out. So all these different modifiers. So hundreds of searches, if not thousands of searches every month, looking for a personal injury attorney in Lexington. We know about 15% of people click on ads on Google when they're searching for something. So 85% of people aren't clicking on the ads. And out of that 15%, you're having to compete with other advertisements that's on um, Google's search results. And according to Forbes, about 70 to 90% of search traffic clicks are being clicked onto the first page of the organic results. And coming in a second page results are less than 6%, and further on down the line, it's even worse than that. So we noticed that you were ranking number 23, so that's about the top of page 3 on Google's results. The top 10 results are going to be the first page. So these competitors, all that traffic is actually being funneled into these listings here at the top. So what we wanted to do is actually show you 3 things Google uses to organically rank websites on their search engine results. Now, the number one thing Google looks at is backlinks. And backlinks are just links from other pages linking back to your page. Google basically sees these as votes. So the more votes that you have, the higher Google's going to rank you. So in this tool, we can see all of your backlinks, all of the websites that are linking back to your website. And you've got almost 30 backlinks, which isn't that bad. But a lot of your competitors that are ranking onto the first page had 50, 60, 70 backlinks. So that could be one reason why those websites are ranking higher than you and showing up first when people are searching for personal injury lawyers in Lexington. We can actually see the backlinks that your competitors have as well. So what we like to do is find out what links they're getting from other websites, reach out to those other websites, and try to get those same backlinks, because if those backlinks are working for them to rank higher, they can definitely work for you too. Now, number 2 is citations, and citations are basically just a reference to a business on a directory. So there's hundreds of directories online, a lot of them specific to attorneys, and these are places you're going to want to list your business name, address, and phone number. And 4 of the big ones are Google My Business, Bing Maps, Facebook, Yelp. But like I said, there are ones that are specific to attorneys, and there are hundreds of them online. So the more often that you're listed, the more often Google's going to see that you're relevant, see that you're authoritative in this industry, and the higher that they're going to rank you on their search engine. And finally, what Forbes lists as the number 1 factor for ranking your page on Google, and that's content. So from our research, we found that pages that generally show up on the first page have 1,500 to 2,000 words of keyword dense content. So keywords that you want to show up for have to show up in the content on your homepage. So 1,500 words, all specific to your industry. When Google's bots scrolls through your site, they can see the relevance, and that's going to help them place you correctly and place you higher on their search engines. With those 3 factors, we know that your page can rank higher, and if it's showing up on that first page, there's really no reason to advertise in Google, because you're already showing up front and center, and you can really decrease your ad spend you're using for Google and just show up organically. So people are more trustworthy to organic results and they're more likely to click. So again, my name is Sean Nelson. I don't know if you have somebody working on this for you, but if not, I'd surely like to talk to you. My number is 859-327-9111. Again, I'm with a company called OEI Digital. And I'm also going to send a link in the email. We can schedule a time that we can talk about this. So I hope this was helpful. I do appreciate your time, and I look forward to talking to you.